This is the Orotig Prometheus automatic casting machine, a compact yet powerful solution designed to deliver professional level casting results. Fully automatic, touchscreen operated and suitable for gold, silver and platinum, this machine is built for workshops that want reliability without complexity. Inside, you'll find all essential paperwork, including the user manual and setup guides. Be sure to unpack the accessory kit too. This includes flasks, crucibles and supports, all designed to work seamlessly with the machine. Next, set up the vacuum pump. Loosen the cap, then use the funnel provided to fill the reservoir with the vacuum oil to halfway, staying below the maximum level indicator. Tighten the cap and the vacuum system is ready. Now move on to the cooling system. Remove the back panel using an Allen key. Take the clear hose with the red end cap, remove the cap, and using the funnel, fill the tank with tap water to the maximum level. Replace the cap and refit the back panel securely. Connect the vacuum pump hose to the rear of the machine using a wrench. Then attach the vacuum pump cable, followed by the main power cable. Argon gas is a key part of the casting process. Connect the blue tube to the argon input at the back of the machine and ensure the gas pressure is set to at least 6 bar. Adjust the air and argon pressure knobs accordingly. Connect the chiller, USB and Ethernet cables. Then switch on the mains power and power up the machine using the rear switch. Using the touchscreen, select Advanced Info to check all key parameters. Make sure water flow is above 1, water temperature is around 22 to 23 degrees, air pressure is at least 6 bar, and argon pressure is set between 2 and 4 bar. Green indicators confirm everything is within the correct range. Before casting, it's recommended to run a test cycle. The machine includes preset programs for silver, gold, and platinum. You can also create custom programs by copying an existing one and adjusting the values to suit your process. You can manually test individual components from the controls menu. For example, checking the lifter mechanism to lock the cylinder inside or confirming the vacuum pump is operating correctly by listening to the suction. Set your maximum temperature based on the metal you're casting, depending on your material and setup. Choose the correct flask and crucible combination to prevent metal overflow. Maximum weights include up to 140 grams of 18 karat gold, 90 grams of silver, and between 70 to 150 grams of platinum. The Prometheus Orotig includes a range of crucibles. Graphite crucibles are recommended for gold and silver due to their conductivity. Ceramic crucibles should be used for platinum. The support size corresponds to your flask diameter. For example, a 60mm flask sits on a 60mm support. Once ready, place the crucible into the chamber, followed by the support. Wearing full PPE, use tongs to carefully position the flask onto the support. Close the machine securely and press start. You can safely observe the casting process through the viewing window. Platinum requires higher temperatures, around 900 degrees, while gold and silver typically run between 650 and 700 degrees. The screen displays live temperature and remaining time. Once the cycle completes, initiate the chamber flush to clean the system before casting. As the process continues, the flask locks in place, the chamber tilts, and the metal is cast before entering the cooling phase. The machine can run for up to 4 cycles for gold and silver or 1 for platinum before a cooling period is required. For continuous production, a chiller is recommended. When the cycle is complete, wearing full PPE, carefully remove the flask using tongs and place it on a safe surface to cool. Cooling time will depend on the alloy and colour. Water quenching can be used where appropriate. If you'd like to see it in action, book a demonstration today and experience just how easily it can elevate your casting workflow.